Hi, I'm Mahesh. I'm Director Sales for Leapcraft India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Leapcraft is in the space of monitoring, controlling, and delivering reports on air quality through its sensors. This particular product, the Ambode, measures about 10 parameters, including CO2, humidity, particle matter, noise, among many other things. This helps organizations give employees a perfect air quality for their well-being. The vision and mission of Leapcraft is to create healthy, sustainable buildings and for the people who reside in these buildings. That's our purpose and goal for the world.